Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to verify your YouTube account and fix the problem of uploading custom thumbnail. So let's start. First, open a browser and go to studio.youtube.com and log into your YouTube account. You have to remember that you cannot do this from your YouTube app. Now log into your YouTube account. Then on bottom left corner you will see a settings icon. Tap on that. Then tap on channel. Then tap on feature eligibility. And here you will see the option features that require phone verification. Now tap on the downward arrow icon and tap on verify phone number. And a new window will open. Here you will see your country is by default selected. Now select the way you want to receive the verification code. I'll select text. Now type in your phone number. Then tap submit. Now a 6-digit verification code will be sent to your phone number. Now type in the verification code here and then tap submit. And your YouTube account will be verified. And from now on you will be able to upload custom thumbnails. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.